how to remove my number from private number on Tecno. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to remove your phone number from private number on your Tecno device. So the step is so simple to follow. After you open up now your mobile phone like this now, all you have to now swipe to the up like this and go and tap on this search and search for phone like this. So here is it now. Now this call section, open it. After you open this call section, tap on this settings. After you come to this settings, now scroll to down and go to this career. As you can see now, career features, this one. After you open this career features, now go and select the SIM card that it has the private phone number, private number. So let's say I will choose this one. So if I call someone with with this SIM card, the person used to say me like my number is private. Now remove the private number. So after you come to this section now, tap on this call additional settings, this one. So after you tap on the additional setting, now allow it to finish loading. So in this additional setting, now tap on this caller ID. So in this, as you can see now my number is hidden. So all you have to do now, tap on this default. So after you tap on the default, now you change it to your number. That's it guys on how to remove your number from private number. Please like and subscribe.